Hi guys, so we are going to go over the agenda for this week. I apologize, my webcam is still not working and so my face isn't shown in the video. Just a little reminder, everything is due Sunday at 11:59. And so for this week, we have our 4.5, 4.6 video notes. It's located on Schoology in this folder that you found the video. And then you have your 4.5 and 4.6 homework on big ideas. And then you'll need to show your work for that and submit that onto Schoology. And then at the end of Friday is the end of second quarter, or second quarter. And so there's a bunch of things that some people have missing, and so I've listed them out. So anything that you do have missing, please make sure that you get that turned in by the end of the day on Friday. So anything from chapter 4 is the only thing that we can accept, and then I have that chapter 3 retake available. But chapter 4.1, 4.2 video notes, we have 4.1, 4.2 big ideas, and then chapter 3 video notes, chapter 3 big ideas homework, and then we also have chapter 4.4 big ideas and video notes as well. So just make sure that everything is all up to date and turned in. All right, so then we have in the folder, I have your notes here. Click on that, watch the videos, and then answer the questions and submit them. Here's where you're going to turn in your showing work form, and then here are your notes. If you haven't picked up a paper copy, the notes, though, are from 4.5 to 4.7. We are only doing 4.5 and 4.6, so you'll just save 4.7 for next week. And that's all we have for this week, so I want you to get started. Please email me if you have any questions or if you've submitted something and you'd like for me to grade it. But that's all we got for this week, so I'm going to let you get started on that.